Social worker Evadney Kerr wants to do her part in helping her fellow Jamaicans, and so she has started the Art for Charity initiative. I said social worker, but she's an educator, she's a guidance counselor, she's much more than just a social worker. She's a probation officer, and she's with us right now. Good morning, Evadney. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Good morning, Neville. I'm fine.
Great to have you with us this morning. What is Art for Charity? What are you trying to do here?
Well, Art for Charity, as you said, is an initiative that came out of my need to assist persons I encounter along the line of duty when I am tasked to do a custody report or a child maintenance report, and then submit that report to the court. So in that process, going into the household, going into the community, you see the severity of the level of poverty affecting the persons who are in the matter before the court.
Okay, what kind of needs we're talking about here? What are some of the things that you would want to do? What are some of the things you have done?
Some basic needs, such as the need for food, toiletries, sanitizers. An example, it would be the most latest case that I have done was a young mother who, having given birth, suffered a nervous breakdown, and she was restricted from breastfeeding. And so because of that, they had to be waiting for like 4 days before baby feeding could be purchased. And during that period, the baby was just given bush tea, or what we call black tea.
Yeah.
There was just that shortage of money to buy that commodity. There was just basic to buy food.
Yeah.
And it's just as simple as the need for snacks. You know, some children, they're provided one basic meal, and snack is a luxury. So when I am able to make preparations to offer some temporary relief, care packages, food items, it allows them that amount of relief until agencies like the CPFSA or Poor Relief can intervene in the matter.
Yeah. The story that you just told, I had here in my brief preparing for this, and I was going to ask you if that person, that family is okay now. Is she all right now?
She's making progress. She's in the hospital. Housing is being ascertained. She has benefited from several care packages, and
Okay.
she's making progress.
Okay, tell me about the art itself now. How long you been doing this? Because these are beautiful, and who do you sell them to? Because I suspect you're doing it because you want some money to help folks. That's Bounty and Berries, right?
Yes, they are.
It's very nice. But when did this start? And that's Usain and Oliver.
Yes, they are.
They're nice. But where did the art start, or when?
Okay, I have always had the hobby of doing art. I can recall at age 12, my foster mother at the time would often take my works of art to her place of work. And I realized I had a talent for that. And so I've always been doing art. It's an outlet as well.
Okay.
It's a hobby and an outlet for me.
How do you get the sales, though? Where do you sell them? How do people know about them?
Well, basically, they're right now only sold to persons who know me, close friends, relatives, and many of them are given away.
You give them away?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, but then you can't make no money for your charity if you're going to give them away. It's me that. No, you know, them spoil it, you know, because I was going to say I heard that you did one of me, and it's here, and I never look at it yet. I know them put it up and spoil me like a fun. So let me get it right here. Hold on, no. I have too much thing in my hand, you know. Let me see. Here it is. All right, so I'm going to put that down on the ground. So, what do you say? It look like me?
I think it has some resemblance.
Yeah. No, but you're supposed to can get millions for this. Don't.
I hope I'll get a good amount to do, help in the initiatives that I'm trying to, execute.
It is something great that you're doing, and I'm sure all the folks that you have helped, trying to help, will appreciate that. But again, you said only folks who know you, but that not gonna last too long. So tell me where they could get your work. And how many more of celebrities like Mr. Bolton?
I have quite a few more, and some of them are still work in progress. But I can be found on Instagram at Art of Charity. That's art._charity.
Yeah.
I am on WhatsApp. Persons can WhatsApp me pictures of themselves. They have a photograph and they'd like to get it professionally drawn, a portrait drawn. They can WhatsApp me a picture at 820, that's 876-820-4723.
Yeah.
And some of my work are also on WhatsApp,
Fantastic.
on Facebook, I'm sorry.
Stuff like this, like Sir Hussein and Sir Oliver, how much would you sell it for?
Those starting rate, it's 10,000, between 10,000 and 15,000.
Fantastic.
And as you can see, there's some level of technicality because those drawings are done with pen. And so when you're doing a drawing in pen, you cannot use erasers. So sometimes you may have to start over.
Okay.
So if there's a situation where there's a challenge and I'll have to start over, it might be more than the 10,000.
Okay. I would like to support your charity, and since you did one for me, I will support the charity.
Thank you, Neville.
Well, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. You're obviously a very good artist among the other things that you do. Great to have you with us this morning. Stay safe, and God bless you. All right?
Thanks for having me, Neville.
It's our pleasure. Evadney Kerr, as I said, social worker. She's an educator. She's a probation officer. She's a guidance counselor. She so many things, and great to have her with us this morning. Good job.